Find out now.
I'm just gonna grill this aubergine.
What sort of fish is that?
It's a sea bream.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's
Some
that one then?
pepper, black pepper.
Oh, black pepper.
And I've got some coriander. Ground coriander.
Brown one, eh?
So just press it.
Alright, that's nice.
It's just simple. We can put some onions here too, but we are hungry, so we just have to make it simple.
Okay. So how are you gonna cook that then?
We're going to grill it, not grill, barbecue style.
Alright. Well, you gotta wrap it up in aluminium foil.
Good, yeah.
So it's like, ooh, that's like a little steam in a way, isn't it? Because the juice is still inside.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh, yes. And inside of this one too.
There we go. I think that's stuff.
Oh, the oil?
Olive oil.
Well, that's it then. You gotta wrap it into a little parcel. Right, we're gonna do barbecue. We'll get one of these. Disposable, unused barbecue. It's quite easy to use, but food not included. Very important. Pay attention here. You get the barbecue, but the food is not included. Okay, let's do this.
To meat steak. We're just gonna make some, just remove all the moisture.
Oh, sweet. Goodies. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, the sugar ready. You can put it back. No, it's boiling. Just boil it. Oh. Take it down a little bit. Pepper. Olive oil. Just water. Turn it in one side. Just olive oil. I'm gonna wait for a while.
Put the aubergine too.
Wow, hot. Ah, hot. Need to push out a little bit.
Mama, come with me. Papa.
Yeah, yeah. Now you watch, yeah. No more, no more. Yeah, no, leave it there, Gigi.
Careful with your finger.
Yeah, finger.
Eating what? Sorry?
Eating banana.
Okay. Okay. We are going to eat now.
With the puppy.
And that is...
Whoa, hot. That's so hot. Oh, hot. Coming, darling. Hot. Oh.
Steaming hot.
Bear with me, yeah?
Let's try it.
Oh, see that steam coming out. Oh, that's it.
Steaming.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, nicely cooked. Not overcooked. Not undercooked. Flakes off the meat. Look at that. It just flakes off.
It just... Let's drop it. Nicely cooked. Good night. We're just going to continue eating and shower, then sleep. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.